I said, Fred, stop. Don't open that door. Step back. What is that? Can you see? And he said, it's a scorpion. I said, I'm going to go call my mil uso. Mil uso means 1,000 uses, a handyman. And he rushed right over. Oh, thank you, Jesus. And he picked up a mallet because he's doing a lot of work in our home. I'll show you about it soon. You're going to love the work he's doing. Oh, he got it. He got it. And then I said, oh my gosh, kill it again. Kill it again. He said, it's dead. Oh no, please kill it again. So he took the mallet and he killed it again for me. What a guy. And then he picked it up. I said, why are you going to pick that up? And he said, oh, you just don't pick it up by the tail. That's the part that gets you. Thank you, Jesus. So he's 1,001 uses.